Yo, what it is, people, is getting. Yeah, it's getting. Wow, what a surprise this is. Brand spanking new NBA 2K10 video. I haven't even seen it yet. We about to look at it right now together, right? Yeah, let's go. Let's just press play. I ain't got nothing to say. 2K10 is gonna be the shit, son. Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, shit. Okay, I hate that song, by the way, but anyway. Yeah, this video was about post moves. The new post moves that they got look pretty good, I'm not saying it looks astounding, you know, like the other trailer that they got, but yeah, it looks pretty damn good, I gotta admit. You know? Man, that shit looks sick. I don't need to say nothing else. That shit looks sick. Peace. I'm out. Peace.